Hi guys, I'm here again. I have a new meal for you. This is very cheap, easy to cook, very easy. And also this is so delicious. We are nearly to finish this lockdown. Hopefully we can fight this until we finish all the lockdown. Our menu for today, or our meal that we cook for today, is a chicken Cordon Bleu. And here are the ingredients. The chicken breast, we need the chicken breast, onion leaves, carrots, cheese, eggs, sausages. We have a mixed herbs. We have a salt. We have a pepper, and we have oatmeal that I grate already, so I cannot use breadcrumbs. We need to cut again all of our ingredients. And by the way, for our chicken breast, we need to strips it thin. Okay, guys, we need to flat it like this and slowly. Okay, like this. Okay. Oh my god, it's hard for me to speak English, guys, so sorry for my the way that I talk. And we need to do like this. And guys, we put here salt, just not for the taste later. Okay, salt and black pepper, brown black pepper. It's depend to your taste. Is our chicken, and leave it for a while. Okay, we can leave it for a while. So guys, here now we need to put all of our ingredients inside of our chicken. So guys, we put our cheese, sorry my English, carrots like that, and sausage and spring onion. Okay, here now our chicken breast, and we need to roll it. Okay, we need to roll it. Okay, so I start rolling the chicken here now, and we need to put it by stick, so the cheese later when we cook it, it's not going out. And we put after the stick. We use this toothpick. We need to use it. Use this, so it's easy later to roll it in the breadcrumbs. But I didn't use breadcrumbs, so we roll it later in the oatmeal that I already grated. Here, this is it now. So guys, we need to put our chicken in the egg, beaten egg. We rolled it and we put it on our breadcrumbs. Yeah. Okay. I think our frying pan in the oil is hot now, and we need to put it our chicken. Okay. But guys, put your make it in low fire. Okay, and you're excited. I'm excited also. Ooh. Here we are now. Here. Ooh. Let's cut it. Oh my god. Look. See? It's yummy. Guys, here we are. The time that we taste our chicken Cordon Bleu here. Yummy. Perfect. So delicious. Guys, try it. Bye guys. Love you guys. Stay safe always. Stay at home and we are nearly to done this. Okay? Love you.